Class 9 IIT Math, lines and angles. Let's continue the previous topic.
Sir, could you
Classification of,
explain,
Avinash,
could you explain 14 sum, sir?
page
207.
number 207.
207.
207, 1 second. The bisector of an angle produced backwards, which angle does it bisects the same vertex? See here, there is an angle, take some measurement, angle AOB. This is the bisector. And angle AOB is 60 degrees and bisector 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Produced backwards means like this, it went like this. Then which angle does it bisects the same vertex? So here, same vertex in the sense I will mark with another color. So this is the same vertex. Which angle does it bisects? So obviously it is reflex angle. Okay, this will be reflex angle only, no?
Yes, sir.
Next, on page come to the page number 216, intersecting lines, concurrent lines, parallel lines, coincident lines, transversal. Intersecting lines. What is the difference between intersecting lines and concurrent? Intersecting lines are just only two lines which intersect at a common point. Is L and M. But concurrent lines are many which intersects at one common point. Both the concept is same. Here many lines will be. Here only two lines will be. Okay. Then parallel lines, you might be known the distance between them is the same. And coincident, before lesson we discussed these are coincident. A line and one and another line, they have many common points.
Yes, sir.
So now the important concept is transversal. So what is this transversal and all? In class 8 we learned, but let's recall once. So let me draw parallel line. Straight line which intersects two or more given lines in different points is called transversal. Straight line which intersects two or more lines at the distinct points is the transversal. So here I have drawn a diagram. From this diagram, we know I will name it as first line is L, this is M, and this is N. This N intersecting L and M at two different points. Two different points, not at the same. Here I'm marking with yellow color.
Yes.
Suppose if I draw the same diagram like this, you see, like this one line. Let's go. I'll take a color. I'll draw this like this one line. I will draw. Then there are two lines are there. Now one more line I'm drawing. One more line I'm drawing like this. I have drawn like this. This is not transversal. Why this is not transversal? You know, here this is L and this is M and this is N. It is not intersecting at different points, intersecting at one point. Okay.
Yes.
But the first concept is different points. So that first one we can say transversal. Second, we don't say it is a transversal. So they're intersecting. So if a line is intersecting in two different lines in two different points, that is automatically transversal. Then what can we say about this transversal line? What can we say about this transversal? So here obviously there are some angles A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H. So just think about it and tell me what does this A, B, C, D and all. I'll be back just 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes, Akansh. Here we can classify some angles here. Interior angles, exterior angles, alternate angles, co-interior, co-exterior, corresponding angles somehow. So according to textbook, if you would like to take, we'll write numbers. So let me write the numbers only. I'll add the numbers.
Yes.
It is easy for you. So according to textbook, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 angles are formed here. So I said first one will take alternate angles, and second one we will take corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And third one we will take co-interior, co-exterior. Co-interior, co-exterior. Co-interior, co-exterior. So what are these all? Let us see. Alternate, that is not a new word for us. Alternate means either these two are alternate and these two are alternate. So vertical opposite. Here you can say alternate interior and alternate exterior, 3 and 6. So first interior and exterior, let us classify. Here I'm marking with yellow color. Those are interior, which are inside of the parallel lines. Then I mark with the green color. These are exterior. So 1, 2, 1 and 2, 7, 8. These four are exterior. And 3, 4, 5, 6. These are interior. Okay. So now what can we say about this exterior and interior? Alternate. So first interior we will take. Interior, I will go. Angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. These are alternate interior. Then exterior. Angle 1 is equal to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 7. This is alternate exterior. This is one rule. They are equal. And second part, corresponding. Corresponding angles are also equal. How do we get corresponding angles? They will be on the same side and one after another. One after another. That means one interior, one exterior. They should be on the same side. I will mark just a second. I will show you clearly. This line was top. So now I will show angle 2 and angle 6. Here 2 and 2 is exterior, 6 is interior. They are called corresponding. And angle 4 and angle 8 corresponding. On left side, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. And then angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding. That means they will be on the same side and one exterior, one interior we shall take. Now second corresponding I am writing. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. These are corresponding. This is the second set. They are equal again. And co-interior, co-exterior. Co-interior in the sense, same side interior. Same side interior, I just mark with some other gray color. 4 and 6. 4 and 6, same side. 3 and 5, same side. You can call them as co-interior. Co-interior. That means third point we are writing here. Angle 4, angle 6, co-interior. Angle 3, angle 5, co-interior. Co-exterior, 2, 8, 1, 7. So angle 2 and angle 8, angle 1, angle 7. But they are not equal. Their sum is 180 degrees. Here the different will be how. Sum of co-interior or co-exterior is equal to 180 degrees. Is equal to 180. Okay, these are the main 4 rules we learn. Just write this same concept on your notebook, no?
Yes, sir.
Same concept in your notebook, you write. And page 221, one example is given. Just check it out. Angle 1 and angle 2 are given 3:2, and finding all other angles. Just try it. I'll explain within 2 minutes. Okay. This same
Yes, sir.
concept you write in a book and try that example. Right?
Yes.
Pankaj, have you done?
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, example, I'll take exercise problem, not example. Ratio problem. Anyway, we'll come back again. First, we'll see one ratio problem or yeah. Question page 225, question 15, you see, moms.
Yes, sir.
225, question 15, ratio. It is a transversal, same like our question. Right. So yeah, this is T and L, M. The angles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this there. So 1 and 2 ratio is given. Is 11:7. Asked to find angle 5. So 1 and 2. What is the relation between 1 and 2? What can you say about 1 and 2 generally? What kind of?
Linear, sir.
So 1 plus 2, 180. 11x plus 7x. 18, no? 18x is equal to 180. X you will get 10. And angle 1, 11 into 10, 110 degrees. Angle 2, 7 into 10, 70. But what was asked here?
Angle 5, sir.
What is the relation between 1 and 5?
Corresponding angles.
Okay, so angle 5 is equal to 110. Okay, now let's come back again. One by one we'll go. And third question on page 222. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Work it and tell me within 2 minutes.
So what's the first
222.
answer? The distance between two parallel lines.
Where I didn't get you. Once again.
Page number 222 only, sir. First answer, sir.
Distance between two parallel lines is constant. Same, no? Same
Constant.
distance will be, no? Always same will be, no?
Yes, sir.
Constant. Okay, no?
Yes.
And the second one is transversal. Okay?
Answer, yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, you do it now, no?
So in fourth question, they have given the value of Z as 80 degrees, sir.
1 minute. Fourth question. Z is not 80. Z is not 80. 80 is inside.
Which side, sir?
80 is opposite to Z.
Opposite.
Vertically opposite.
That means Z
And
also 80 only.
obviously, Z will come 80 only.
Okay, sir.
Vertical opposite means same now.
Yes, sir. Then X also 80 degrees, sir.
Yeah, actually there are two transversals. So please be
Okay.
careful. First P is the transversal. Next Q is the transversal. We go like that.
Yes.
Okay, two transversals are there.
Yes, sir. I got option B for third answer, sir. Yes, third answer.
Third answer is B. Huh?
Yes, sir.
LMD. LMD. 35 PLA. PLA. You got? What did you get? 145.
145 degrees. Yes, sir.
Actually, that is, yeah, correct. Okay. Next, fourth one.
Fourth A, sir. Option A, 80 degrees.
Fourth A in the sense, first you will get the Z. Z and T are equal. But if we come to cross, X and T are equal. 80. Okay. Fifth.
Fifth, I got 120 degrees, sir.
Fifth, asked to find angle 3. Here, what is given? Actually, angle 3 is equal to Y and Y is equal to X. X is 120. Okay, fine. Then the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. And seventh sum, will you try? It's looking different.
Yes, sir. I will try.
Hmm.
So how to do this, sir? What should we take as transfers or not also?
Think, will we get? We need a transversal. For that, you think. Use a line given like this. And next line is like this. And then have a line like this. Then we have a line like this. And this E, C, D, AB. And here we have 50 degrees and here we have 100 degrees. And Akansh, listen. Here asked to find X by, here X is there. X by 25. First you should know X value. So if you extend like this, and if you extend like this, if you extend like this, just think about it. And this will be the transversal line E. Okay. And here C and 100 are equal. Okay. C is equal to 100.
Yes.
And then, but X we don't get. We should draw a parallel line. Some other L and little more you extend. And you think about X and 100. What can you say about X and 100? They're equal.
Yes, sir.
Then 100 by 25, answer 4. Okay. Corresponding out alternate interior.
X 100.
Okay, no? Next question, next verbal question is that, see. If two interior angles on the same side of a transversal, so let us take the transversal. This I will take transversal. L, M, N to go with. Two interior angles on the same side. I take one A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what is going to happen? Two interior on the same side of transversal intersecting two parallel lines in the ratio 1:4. So So two interior angles on the same side. So either you can take DE or CF. D is to E is 1 is to 4 or C is to F is equal to 1 is to 4. Then the difference of the angles divided by the smaller angle. So difference in the sense, first we shall find the angles, then we will get the difference. What will be the result? Difference of the angles divided by the smaller angle. So first D and E we will take. D and E is 180. 5x is equal to 180. X 180 over 5, you will get 30. How much you will get? 36. Huh? Yes, 36. X 36 and D is 36 and E is 436 or how much? 144. Okay. Then find the difference between them. 144 minus 36.
108.
That is answer. Next question 9. This all or you will get 9, 10, 11, 12. Which are little different, we will do.
Sure.
12th question, yeah.
Then here it is asked that then what will be the result if difference in the angles is divided by a small angle? It's asked now for here.
Yes. Question is wrong printed. That is difference only. Okay, no? I verified.
Yes.
Next page you open. Little complicated sums we discussed. 12th question and 19th question. The rest you can do. They are simple only. 12th and 19th. And once you open 226, 21 question you see once 21. Account.
Yes, sir, open.
In the 21 again you see the greater of the two angles is there, no? Greater
Yes.
of the two angles. Same like that what we have done. Difference of the two angles only. Okay.
Yes.
The statement, according to the statement, we go now, we don't get the answer. Next, 12th question. 12th question. 12th angle 1 is given as x, angle 7 is given as 2 by 3x. So what is the relation between 1 and 7? Is there any relation between 1 and 7?
Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. No. Sir. Angle 1 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees.
Co-exterior, no?
Yes, sir.
X plus 2 by 3x is equal to 180. You get the x value and then you tell me the angle 5. And also 19th also you have to do accounts. Angle
Yes,
2 is given 2x plus 30. 2 and 4 are same. 2 and 4
yes,
equal. Then you get the x value and tell me the 5, angle 5 value. Okay. Do these two sums. Accounts.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Yeah, 1 minute. In 8th question, the difference of the angles, how much we got?
108 by 36 is I got 3, sir. Actual answer is 3 answer.
Okay. 108 by small angle is 36, no?
Yes.
Okay, correct. 108 by 36, answer is 3, correct. If it is divided by bigger angle means you have to divide with another, that big angle, okay?
Yes.
Now clarified with some
Yes, sir.
108 by 36, that's it. What is the x value, Akansh? Akansh. X value, what did you get? No? 3 plus 2, 5x by 3. 5x is equal to 180 into 3. 180 into 3 by 5. 108. X value 108. Okay.
Okay.
X value 108 and angle 5. Angle 5 and 1 are equal. So answer is 108 only. And 19 sum. What is the x value we get? 50 minus 30, 20. Angle 2, I will ask angle 5. 2 plus 1 is 180 you can take, or 4 plus 5 180 you can take. If x is equal to 20 and 4 you will get 70. And 4 plus 5 180. Answer is option C 110. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akansh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So can you try up to 21 if you get free time? You just try that. Tomorrow we'll go for the some more problems, and tomorrow or next class we can end up this chapter. Okay?
Okay.
A few sums are there, and we go for the triangles. And by here I am ending the class. Okay, no?